Hello everyone, Elaine's here. Have you ever thought about pickling or marinating your bok choy? I know this may sound relatively uncommon. In this recipe, I will share a super easy, quick way to pickle bok choy. Let's begin. Wash the bok choy, then drain it completely. Make sure your container is clean and free of oil. Drain with kitchen paper if there is water inside. Place the cleaned bok choy in. Add garlic cloves, fresh Thai peppers, salt, and rice vinegar. Then pour in hot boiling water. Make sure the amount of hot water is enough to submerge all the ingredients. Place the plate as a weight so that all parts of the bok choy are submerged in the brine. Cover the lid, wait overnight, and you will get beautifully pickled bok choy. The nitrite level of pickled vegetables lies in the soft level in two stages. The first is less than 24 hours when it's not started to climb. And then the other is after 2 to 3 weeks when the acetic acid bacteria become dominant and break down the nitrites. So it is safe for us to use very fresh pickled bok choy. You can use pickled bok choy as a substitute for pickled mustard greens or other types of Chinese 酸菜, as called in the recipe, for example, our rice noodle soup. Another common way to use it is to stir fry. Add oil into a pot and squeeze out the excess water by hand. You can keep the pickled peppers if you prefer a hot version. Then add a very small pinch of salt and light soy sauce. Stir fry until evenly mixed. This dish is easy and delicious. Give it a try. See you next time. Bye.